Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to unmute notifications from people you don't follow in X. If you've muted notifications from users you don't follow and want to receive them again, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be directed to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will navigate you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety and select Account Information. This section allows you to adjust privacy preferences and safety settings related to your account. Step 6. Within the Account Information section, locate and tap on Mute and Block. This option allows you to manage muted accounts and notifications. Step 7. Tap on Muted Notifications. This section displays a list of accounts from which you've muted notifications. Step 8. De-toggle the You Don't Follow option. By de-toggling this setting, you'll start receiving notifications from people you don't follow on X. Congratulations! You have successfully unmuted notifications from people you don't follow in X, allowing you to broaden your network and engage with a wider range of users. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be filled with enhanced engagement from all users.